Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. Now we will be jumping on to the Explorer section. In the Explorer section, you will be able to see that all your reminders are over here in these different documents, and you can see there are different folders. You will be able to see how many total items are there, and over here there are different folders. So you will be able to know what document type it is, what are the custom fields which are added in the system, what is the expiration date, what is the status of this, it is active or it is inactive, and then what is the status of the reminder. So this active status is for this document and the status is for the reminders. Either they are coming, they are in process, they are expired, which are upcoming. So you will be able to know over there. Does it have any folders? So for the folders, you will be able to see the folders, and how every folder has how many items, so you will be able to see those. Who is the user who has created and the date created, you can see when it was created. Now you would like to take some actions, you would like to edit, move or delete the folder, you can do that. And similarly with the document, you can move to different folders, you can duplicate, you can archive it. So archive means it won't be counted in your subscription plan, or you would like to deactivate at the moment, or you would like to delete. So if you deactivate, so all your reminders will be stopped and these won't be sent. So this is how basically you can deactivate. So when we are going to click on any sample document item, and we would like to see that if we would like to change the expiration date, so yes, we can do that by editing. And we can see the reminder queue, and we can see there are email reminders which are going to be sent. These are scheduled ones, so you will be able to see, and how many are sent, you will be able to see those. And then you can see there is any attachment, there are any reminder replies that came through to any reminder recipient has sent you the reminder, so you will be able to see that. If there is a renew history, you will be able to see that as well. And this is the activity that you have basically mentioned. The document is renewed and we are good to go. So similar to that, you can basically hit the save, and this is the activity which you can save over there. Now the choice is yours, you would like to edit it, you would like to delete it, so yes, you can do that as well. That's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the support and you can proceed to ask any question, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.